Charlena!
What?
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom. Hold on!
The Hiccup!
God damn it! I'm on the fucking toilet! Get out! Daddy! The door didn't shut! Shut the fucking door!
Do you have a pen?
Yeah, hold on a second. You look like Boss Hart's I don't give a piece of shit. Why does our broom closet smell like a you? Who gives a shit? You're an asshole. I'm gonna kick your
Dad, the new neighbors are gonna hear you cussing and yelling and call the cops again.
I don't really
Well, the neighbors do.
Why does it always look like he smells shit?
And it says right here in the Guinness book, this guy was struck by lightning 7 times.
What a fucking dumbass! You're a stupid pecker.
I'm gonna tell Mom.
She already knows.
Well, you know what they say. You say tomatoes, I say tomatoes. Ha ha ha.
You can shove those tomatoes up your fat and they didn't even put it in alphabetical order.
Dad, they're showing episodes of Knight Rider again on the Sci-Fi Channel.
Oh, shut up. Probably a Then I got rear-ended by a Mitsubishi. There's something, by the way, his butt looks to those tight jeans, and it's really pissing me off. He comes to my house, has 6 pancakes, 6 sausages, and 3 glass orange juice, and then he gets in my bed and wants to play. I was married to Shalina 15 damn years, and before that, I was married to some named Barb.
Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it? Dad, what time is it?
It's time for you to get a damn watch! Kid?
Dad! Dad! Dad!
What?
Dad, I made you some
Get the fuck out of here!
Dad, it's Father's Day!
Fuck off!
Dad, I spent 30 minutes making breakfast.
Asshole!
Well, you know what, Dad? You're nothing but a no-good, inbred, drunk piece of crap.
Who is it? You're a piece of